Even with all these inflation concerns, we've continued to see a strong U.S. consumer. Your data shows that consumer spending isn't really showing any signs of slowing down.
If anything, we actually saw acceleration in March because January was a little bit of a wobbly start. There was a lot of noise in the data, a lot of seasonal challenges. There was acceleration through February, and that continued into March. And even in some categories that we haven't really seen that much of a lift recently, like electronic spending, looks like it did better in March. So you're starting to see some goods categories pick up. Which could have something to do with the replacement cycle kicking in. Now, not all, right? So housing related spend, home furniture, big durable goods are still seeing some downward price pressure, which did show through in the CPI yesterday, and also showing up in terms of a bit softer spend there as well.
Yeah, I want to talk to you about CPI in just a minute. I want to focus on some of your data. I've noticed an uptick in online spending. Why are we seeing such a sharp increase in online spending versus in-store spending? I thought we were all trying to get back into the store and have more experiential situations going on in our lives.
Well, I think we are looking for experiences, which we could talk about momentarily. But consumers are also looking for conveniences, and online spending helps to facilitate that. So we have seen what has been kind of a structural trend higher towards greater e-commerce and online spending. It was triggered by the pandemic, but it's proven to be more persistent. And I think that reflects the fact that consumers are looking for a lot of choices. They are looking for promotions. They are looking for the full depth of the market when it comes to a lot of goods categories.
Also want to get your take on CPI. One of the catalysts for that hotter than expected CPI read, that was insurance. What was your read on just the overall print and some of the other areas that we're looking at, including shelter and energy?
I think, Frank, to your point, it's important with the CPI data to look at the different components because inflation is not uniform right now, far from it. So you are seeing certain categories where there's a bit of stealth inflation, which in some categories is pretty excessive, like insurance that you mentioned. In general, purchasing a car right now happens to be expensive. It's a big ticket item. Prices have increased a lot, and they haven't come down enough in aggregate. Rental inflation is still rising. Other types of services inflation have proven stickier. And I think that reflects the demand side of the economy, which is that we have a labor market that's strong. We had over 300,000 jobs added last month. You have a very low and sticky low unemployment rate. And that is keeping services inflation high, which makes it a difficult decision as we look ahead for what monetary policy might do.